Hey everybody, welcome back to my channel, or welcome to my channel if you're new here. My name's Lainey. Thank you so much for clicking on this video. Today I wanted to talk about summer 2022 trends that I'm loving and will definitely either be purchasing, thrifting, or digging out of my closet. I don't know if you can tell, but I have a rash on my chest. I'm still a little bit congested and I have shortness of breath because I'm still getting over COVID, and today's like the first day that I'm out of bed, put makeup on, and I just wanted to talk to you guys and act like things are normal. But I'm definitely getting better, but I have some weird symptoms lingering. And with that being said, let's just get into the trends. So the first thing that I've been seeing around, and honestly I've just been gravitating towards, are baby doll top. I was starting to see more baby doll tops in the springtime, just with the ballet core aesthetic on the rise, whatever you want to call it. I think we're seeing a lot more of these baby doll style tops. I literally have one on right now. I just thrifted this one. It's hot pink and just has the little cinch and puffed out baby doll belly. Baby doll tops and baby doll dresses I think are going to be super big this summer, especially with low rise. I think if you're uncomfortable wearing low rise and a crop top, or even low rise and a tighter top, low rise and a baby doll top can look so flattering and really ease that, not saying you need to, but ease that feeling of like, oh, I always have to be like sucking in when I'm wearing my low-waisted pants, or I feel like I have muffin top, or any of those things that like don't matter. But I get it if you feel that way and you don't want to wear those items. So baby doll tops I'm so into. Literally so easy to thrift or get secondhand. I honestly think they're easier to get thrifted and secondhand right now instead of fast fashion. And I'm not saying fast fashion as a dig, it's just easier to say it that way. I don't think a lot of brands have hopped on this style yet. If they're making them, they're still making baby doll but super cropped. And I think it's that baby doll like 2000s look is what we're going to be really seeing a lot of in the summer. Literally, like, you can't go wrong with the baby doll top. I think it is so flattering on literally every body type, whether you have, you know, bigger boobs or smaller boobs, or whether you have an hourglass shape or more of like a pear shape, or why are body shapes names of fruits? You get it. AAA plus. The next trend also comes from the ballet core kind of style, and this was aesthetic that I didn't really think I was that into. But I think I'm not into ballet core as wearing my wrap top, sheer wrap skirt, tights, leg warmers, and ballet shoes. I like taking little elements and, you know, incorporating it into my own personal style, especially because the ballet core is very triggering to me because I used to be a ballet dancer and brings back a lot of memories. But with that, ruffles and lace, just super girly. And I wouldn't say my style is necessarily super girly, so it's weird that I'm super into all these ruffles and lace, but I like them in a way of styling it with something a little bit more masculine. So if I'm wearing a baby doll top that has ruffles and lace all over it, I'm gonna pair that with a pair of cargo pants and running sneakers, or I'm gonna pair it with cargo pants and ballet flats, or I'm gonna pair it with a mini skirt and Doc Martens. One element that's not that ballet core style, or that's really that ruffle and lace and just girly feeling. I love the juxtaposition, and I've said this so many times, mixing aesthetics is how you're gonna get your own style. It's fun to follow just like one trend and be like, oh, I'm gonna dress like ballet core today, I'm gonna dress grunge tomorrow, and the next day I'm gonna dress cottagecore, or whatever the aesthetics are. I literally can't keep up. I get that's fun, but I think that's where a lot of people are like, I don't know my personal style because I do this one day and this the next day. Try taking those things that you like so much and mixing them together, and I bet you'll find your own personal style a lot easier that way. Next, I always incorporate a color for a trends video, and I think this season we are seeing chartreuse all around. And chartreuse to me is more of a yellow. So if you're thinking chartreuse is like a green, just think yellow then, but kind of a bright yellow, not like necessarily neon, but I don't have anything the color either because I've been trying to thrift it. I've been seeing this a lot more in interior design because I have been watching like interior design videos and looking at Pinterest for interior design things, but not fashion. But sometimes they link up so insanely well. So I really think chartreuse and just yellow are going to be the it colors this season, the it color this season. And if yellow seems like really bold, you don't want to be wearing a yellow pair of pants or a yellow dress, try getting like a yellow purse or a yellow hat, a yellow sunglasses, whatever. Always tiptoeing and incorporating things in with accessories is a lot easier than, you know, making one big bold statement. The next thing is a pattern. For spring, I talked about polka dots, and I still think polka dots are super in, very hot, and we're gonna be seeing just more and more and more polka dot things. But also I think we're seeing a resurgence of gingham, and I don't think gingham ever necessarily went out of style. I think it was really popular in like 2016. We were seeing a lot of gingham. I immediately think of like Best Dressed and what she would call it, like her picnic bitch outfits, and it was always gingham. And then I think it was just kind of like, it's a pattern there. It almost became like stripes, where it was just like things are always going to be here in gingham. But I think a full gingham set now is so adorable, or just gingham and like mixing it with different patterns. Like again, gingham to me is like basically a neutral, and you can pair it with, you know, crazier patterns now because we're so used to gingham. You can just do a lot more with it. I just think we're seeing it a lot more on like the fashion girlies and not just like on a pair of shorts at Old Navy. I'm literally wearing, this doesn't match, but I'm wearing gingham shorts right now. I thrifted this pair. They were basically brand new. They're just boxers. I also have a pair of gingham shorts that I thrifted that are like vintage Nike, and they have pockets and a drawstring. They are insane. I got them for like $3. But definitely consider thrifting a pair of men's boxers. That can seem gross, just wash them. Or if you're not comfortable with that, literally buying men's boxers in a gingham pattern. So cute, so easy, inexpensive, and the perfect shorts for the summertime. So lightweight. The next thing I'm so obsessed with and I need to get my hands on are like 60s sheer nightgowns. And I guess they're not baby doll cut. They're more of like an A-line shift dress. I think that these are so pretty for the summertime, wearing it with, you know, either a like thin strapped slip underneath, like silk slip underneath, or even if you're like more bold, wearing it with a cute bra and like vintage bloomers or something. Pairing them with a pair of kitten heels or ballet flats, literally to die for. I need a vintage 60s, or it's like 60s or 50s nightgown, and I'm gonna wear it in real life. You guys know I wear pajamas in real life all the time. First of all, I would consider boxers pajamas. Wear those all the time. I wear my bloomers all the time. I wear my nightgowns all the time. I wear my little pajama sets all the time. My silk pajama pants all the time. I'm so down to wear pajamas in real life. You're so much more comfortable. Why not? I've been finding a lot of these nightgowns on eBay and Poshmark, and even a little bit on Depop, but the ones I really like are always like $150 because they're vintage. So I'm just praying that I find a really good one at the thrift store soon, or happen to stumble across a deal on the internet. But very cute. That was my last one. I feel like this was a really quick video. Let me know what you guys think of these trends. They were pretty hard to come up with because I wasn't on social media this month. Now you guys can let me know if you think I'm right or if I'm really wrong based on what you guys see on Instagram and Pinterest. Also, if you guys want to see me style these trends or thrift these trends, let me know in the comments below. I can do another video for you guys like that. Thank you so much for watching. Make sure to like, comment, and subscribe if you want to. It really supports my channel and puts me into the YouTube algorithm so more people get to watch my videos. And that's it. I love you the absolute most, and I'll see you in a few days. Bye.